हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। मेरा नाम है सीप पाहुजा एंड मैं आज आपके साथ एक बहुत अमेजिंग टीचर को लेकर आई हूँ जो बड़े बड़े सिविल एस्पिरेंट्स को प्रिपेयर करते हैं एंड हेल्प करते हैं उनको यूपीएससी जैसा डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम को क्रैक करने में। एंड मैं एक फन फैक्ट आपको यहाँ पर बताना चाहूंगी कि अनअकैडमी के जो को फाउंडर हैं रोमन सैनी, ही इज ऑल्सो अ डॉक्टर प्लस ही हैज ऑल्सो क्रैक दिस प्रेस्टिजियस एग्जाम यूपीएससी। तो आज हम सर से ही जानना चाहेंगे कि इज देयर एनी वे जिसमें नीट और यूपीएससी रिलेटेड है, एंड अगर कोई बच्चा नीट की प्रिपरेशन करते हुए जा रहा है एंड वो एमबीबीएस उसके बाद करता है, तो क्या ये जर्नी उसको किसी तरीके से यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प करती है या नहीं करती है?
First of all, thank you for having me on your channel. Ma'am, if you look at it this way, how do we define our career choices? The candidates who are preparing for NEET, do they really want to become doctors? Or is this the dream of becoming a doctor thrust upon them by their parents or by the society? What I have observed is whilst preparing for NEET and then cracking this exam and pursuing MBBS, midway you realize I was not meant to do this.
Right.
I was meant for something bigger. I want to change the world. If not the world, I want to change my nation. If not the nation, I want to change the lives of the millions of the people. And then if there is one career option which can help you pursue this, that's a career in bureaucracy. That's how you can become part of IAS, IPS, foreign services, so on and so forth. How are these career choices related? If you're preparing for NEET, you're studying for 12, 13, 14 hours on a daily basis.
Yes.
Then once you're pursuing the MBBS course, even then you'll have to study a lot. And this is the regimen that will help you while you're preparing for the world's toughest exam called the Civil Services exam. So you already have an advantage that you don't have to start afresh.
Right.
अलग से नहीं पढ़ना है, नए से नहीं पढ़ना है. You have been in this regime of studying continuously for a long time. Plus, just look at the data. A large number of students who crack the Civil Services exam, they have an MBBS background. Plus, if you look at the syllabus of Civil Services exam, you have to choose an optional subject of your choice, which can be anything: botany, zoology, physics, chemistry, medical science as well. So what you have studied in your MBBS course, that will help you get a better rank in the Civil Services exam. So the most advantageous of all the students are the medical science students.
Right.
Prepare for IAS. Prepare with Unacademy IAS English team for live classes by India's top educators, instant doubt resolution, sharp focus on answer writing and current affairs. Unacademy IAS English is your one-stop destination for civil services preparation in English medium. For a limited period, Unacademy is offering a 50% discount on the UPSC subscription and free extension, which is subscribe for 9 months, you get 9 months free extension. Same for 12 months, same for 18 months. Use the code IAS English to unlock this discount. Join us today and realize your IAS dream.
सिंस नीट और जेई दोनों अपने आप में बहुत बड़े एग्जामिनेशंस हैं एंड आप देखेंगे नीट में 25 लाख स्टूडेंट्स दे अपीयर एंड ओनली 1 लाख स्टूडेंट्स आर एबल टू सिक्योर सीट इन एमबीबीएस. आई गेस सेम काइंड ऑफ रेशो इज देयर इन यूपीएससी जहाँ पर 10 लाख बच्चा बैठता है एंड अराउंड 1000 सिलेक्ट होता है हमारे सिविल सर्विसेज में. तो एग्ज़ाम तो बहुत ज़्यादा टफ है, स्ट्रेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो बच्चों को स्ट्रेस पूरे टाइम रहता है, तो हाउ शुड दे मैनेज दिस स्ट्रेस कि वो एक जर्नी को बहुत स्मूथली एक्सपीरियंस कर पाए?
I think uske liye let's break down the numbers. If there are 10 lakh aspirants who are filling the form of Civil Services exam, only half of them actually write the exam.
Okay.
So 50% of the competition is already over.
Okay.
उसमें भी अगर 5 लाख लोग लिख रहे हैं, hardly 50 to 70,000 students are serious.
Right.
The remaining ones are parents have forced me, that's why I'm writing this exam. They have promised me a new iPhone, hence I'm writing this exam. My friends, they have filled the form, hence I will also do that. So
Right,
there is that
yeah.
bandwagon effect. When everybody is doing it, let me also try my hands. So the real competition is amongst these 50,000, 70,000 students. और उसमें अगर आप success ratio निकालोगे, out of 70,000, there are 1,000 vacancies. So how is this the world's toughest exam? And that I suppose is true for NEET as well.
Right.
Not
आप
everybody
believe
is
नहीं करेंगे
serious.
25 lakhs में से only 12 lakhs are able to 12 lakh students are able to score 50th percentile. Like 720 marks का पेपर है, only 12 lakh they are able to cross 150 marks. So just imagine जो 12 लाख थे वो 150 marks भी नहीं ले पा रहे थे. तो serious candidates are just 2-3 lakhs only जिसके बीच में fight है.
And how do you tell your students to manage stress?
I believe first they should accept it कि हाँ स्ट्रेस है या कोई मॉक टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं हुआ है तो एक्नॉलेज दैट थिंग एंड रीप्लान उसको ब्रेक डाउन करो एंड फर्स्ट डू द हाई वेटेज टॉपिक्स एंड देन मूव ऑन टू प्रैक्टिस थिंग. इस तरीके से दे कैन ओवरकम देयर फेलियर एज वेल एज स्ट्रेस भी मैनेज हो जाता है.
What I think is, if you're a believer in God,
Right.
Everything is planned. So whatever you are supposed to do on this planet, you will do it no matter what, no matter the kind of hard work that you will put in. So why worry? If there is something that you can change, then you should not worry, because आप उसको बदल सकते हो.
Right.
And there is something, if you can't change, there is no need to be worried about, because you can't change it. Plus, this is where I think the role of a mentor comes into the picture. Somebody who can guide you how to stay positive, because it's not only about the exam, it's also the process. Sometimes the process may be difficult. How do you manage the timetable, the schedule, the kind of lectures that you'll have to attend, the kind of mocks that you have to appear in? Take it one step at a time,
Right.
break it down into pieces, conquer one step at a time, and live the rest of your life.
They have to first believe yes they can do it. Sometimes students are so underconfident and they feel कि मेरे बस का तो है ही नहीं, इतना बच्चा बैठता है, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. First start believing कि yes you can do, and I believe manifestation has a lot of power. So if you will remind yourself every day कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ, and that will give you a boost, energy to cope up with that day, cope up with that week, and manage that timetable, manage that stress part.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you.
So thank you so much Sarmad sir and for your valuable insights. बच्चों को बहुत हेल्प हुई होगी, एंड आई एम श्योर कि बहुत सारे ऐसे नीट एस्पिरेंट हैं जो फ्यूचर में जाकर यूपीएससी जैसा एग्जाम क्रैक करना चाहते हैं. तो अगर कोई भी ऐसा है तो मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए, और अगर आपके कोई और डाउट्स हैं जो आप सर से पूछना चाहते हैं, डू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स. वी विल डेफिनेटली इनवाइट सर अगेन ऑन आवर चैनल.
And just to end, I believe there are only two kinds of aspirants: those who quit, those who persist. If you will persist, there is no power on earth that can stop you from realizing your dream, which is either to live a fulfilling life, or to become a good doctor, or a good educator, or a good IAS officer. Thank you.
Thank you.